BSc Nursing Karnataka YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to teach you about nursing care plan. Let's see what is the nursing care plan. Nursing care plan, it is nothing but it will provide a proper direction on the basis of nursing care to the patient, family or its community. While going to write a nursing care plan, there are 5 main important things you have to remember. The first one is assessment, and second one is nursing diagnosis, third one is intervention, fourth one is implementation, fifth one is evaluation. These 5 things is very important while you are writing a nursing care plan. So let's see what happened in assessment. In assessment, we have to do the physical examination and we have to observe the facial expression of a patient. In assessment, there are 2 things. The first one is subjective data and second one is objective data. What happened in subjective data? In subjective data, we have to ask the patient what happened to you. Then patient will tell, I have a fever since 3 days or 4 days. These complaint we have to write in subjective data. My patient have a fever since 1 week. Then objective data. In objective data, we have to observe the facial expression of a patient, and these things we have to write in objective data. By observing, my patient have a pain and fever. Like this we have to write in objective data. It's all about assessment. Then coming to the nursing diagnosis. In nursing diagnosis, it is nothing but it is a part of a nursing process in which we are taking judgment to cure the patient condition. Then the main thing is, third one is nursing intervention. In nursing intervention, we have to take a action to cure the patient condition. It is nothing but nursing intervention. For example, sleeping control and infection control and pain control. Like this we have to take a action. And the fourth thing is implementation. In implementation, we have to implement the plan to cure the patient condition. Suppose a patient have a pain. In implementation, we have to provide analgesics to reduce the pain. So implement is provide analgesic. Okay, it is implementation. And the fifth one is, the last process is evaluation. By doing all the things, the priority wise, the patient will tell, or we have to observe, the patient condition is normal. If the patient is not normal, if he has or she has a pain or tenderness, then we have to put a second care plan format. Like this we will do the priority wise according to patient condition, and we will care about the patient. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, share the video and like this video.